Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to add an action button to a Facebook page. Now, the first thing that you need to do is just to open your Facebook application and then be sure that you have switched your account to your Facebook page account. Now, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen and then click on your profile. Now, tap on this tree that's here. Okay, and then click on edit action button. Okay, that's right, and then click on edit buttons. So now you can see the different action that you can do. Now it's up to you to choose an action that you want to add to your Facebook page. For example, this action here, which is the learn more action. So you just have to click on the website, for example, tutorial.com. Now click on save. Okay, then right after that, in order to check if your actions has been made, you just have to click on the three dots and then click on the view as. So this is how people see your page. Now you can see the learn more button to your Facebook page. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can add an action button to a Facebook page. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.